Welcome to Weje, a multifunctional service for collecting, storing, and structuring information. In this video, we'll take a look at the User Story Mapping template. After logging in, you're taken to your workspace, where you can create a new board or select one of the suggested templates. To create a User Story Mapping template board, select the appropriate template in the template bar, set your own name for the board, and click Create. The template consists of the classic User Story Mapping view. The square shapes define the sequencing steps. The color defines the priority or sequence. And triangular shapes define releases or groups of steps. To add more cards, hover your mouse over the forms on the toolbar and select the desired form. After clicking, a card of the appropriate form will be created. Set it to the desired color and drag it to the appropriate location. You can also create additional cards by duplicating existing ones. To do this, select the card and click on the duplicate creation symbol. Edit the created card and drag it to the desired place. To delete an unnecessary card in the template, select it and click the delete icon. You can see the completed version of the template at the link in the example card. You can invite your colleagues or other Weje users to a board with a completed template by using the board properties. To invite another user to the board, you need to specify their email address in the Collaborators field. The user must be registered in the service to receive an invitation. Select the user property and click the Invite button. Access to the board can be granted by a link. To do this, click on the Public button and select the property for the invited user. Copy and send the link. Even an unregistered user will be able to access the board using this link. The completed board can be fully copied. Click on the Create Copy button in the board property. The copied board will appear in the general list of boards. This can be very useful if you use this template frequently. Weje allows you to create user story mapping either by yourself or with a suggested template. You can invite your colleagues or friends to the ready-made boards for collaborative management.